Chewing tobacco may soon be labeled as safe as cigarettes. This story comes from our friend Sam P.K. Collins over at Think Progress. He is one of their best health reporters, and this is a really interesting scoop. I'm happy to share it with you. So if a Swedish tobacco company has its way, it may soon be able to designate one of its products as a safe alternative to cigarettes. Now, this is a concern for public health officials and smoking cessation experts. The FDA will soon deliberate the merits of changing the health label on the Swedish Match of Stockholm's brand of Snus. Now, Snus is another type of tobacco, right? So you've got your standard dip, comes in the containers, you put it in your mouth, you don't swallow it and you spit it out. Then you've got your regular cigarettes, we all know about those. And then in the middle is a product called Snus. Now, Snus is banned everywhere in the EU except for Sweden right now, so it's important to know that. And what it is these little pouches, and it's little pouches of tobacco that are covered in fabric. And the idea is that you put them in your mouth like you would if you were dipping, but the way that the blend is created, you're able to swallow the juice that comes out of it. It's become much more popular in the United States in the last couple of years, and they've really branded this product as kind of a way to smoke when you can't smoke inside, right? So to compete with the electronic cigarettes, they have these Snus packages. Now, like I was saying, 50 million cans were sold here in the United States. So they appealed to the FDA last November in a 100,000-page document showing that because Snus has a lack of inhalable carcinogens that cause lung cancer and lung disease and the potential to help smokers kick the habit. So here is the deal with this story and why I find it so difficult. I think one of the biggest problems that we have as a nation when it comes to public health is our dishonesty, right? So it failed miserably with the war on drugs. We were convinced that if we could just lie to people about what drugs do to you and tell them that they're bad, they wouldn't do them. And if we lied to people and tell them that if you use drugs, it makes you a criminal because it's illegal, people would stay away from it. And that has been a massive failure. So in this case, here's the reasoning. People who are anti-smoking say we can't let them advertise that this product is safer than cigarettes. The bottom line is, because it's not inhaled, on paper, it is safer than cigarettes, right? Okay? You're not inhaling it. You're not going to get lung cancer from it. There are other problems. You might get mouth cancer, but the amount of incidences of lung cancer from cigarettes versus Snus and cancer in general, Snus is safer. They should be able to advertise that. That makes sense to me. Don't lie to the consumer, okay? I think we need to have more transparency and more fact-based data. This fear-mongering that, oh, if we don't tell the people, if we lie to them and say it's as bad as cigarettes, maybe they won't do it, isn't an effective harm reduction strategy. If we're honest with people about, listen, here are the risks, make an informed decision, we're going to do a lot better as a country and there's going to be a lot less stigma attached. So while I'm wary of endorsing anything that's obviously bad for your health, the fact that we're going to not approve this, even though the statement is true, is kind of ridiculous. So let me know what you think about that in the comments below, folks. Don't forget to subscribe.